Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can install Laravel 5.7 on your Windows 10 machine. I am currently using Windows 10 64-bit, so you should be fine with any bit of computer you have. Just follow my steps. First of all, search for XAMPP and then search for Composer. Click on this and then click on this one. You can see that XAMPP is available in 32-bit in uh, all the options. Mostly it does like that. It's not a very big problem. So just select the newest version of PHP. As you can see that PHP 7.3 is the most recent version. So click on download. After downloading this, click on download over the composite as well, and then click on here and download it and click on keep. After doing this, install the composer setup. I'll show you how you can install XAMPP. Downloads, programs, XAMPP. Click on S. Let's wait. Okay, the XAMPP installer is starting, and I wanted to show you this one. It says important because then activated user account control on your system. Some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted with VUSC. Please avoid to install XAMPP in this or deactivate USC with MS config. After the setup, you don't need to worry about this. Just click on OK and install it normally. I will close it because I already have the XAMPP. As you can see that this is the XAMPP. So let's get to the second process. Now first of all, check open your CMD and check if the composer has been installed or not. After writing composer, it will show you the available commands. If it doesn't show you this available command, it means that you haven't rebooted your computer. So please reboot your computer after freshly installing composer. And after rebooting, if you come and check again, then you will be able to see this one. So to install Laravel, what you need to do is open Laravel docs, and you can see that it says to install Laravel via Laravel installer you need to write this one. So write composer global require Laravel installer. After writing this, click enter. As I have already done that, I will not be doing it again. And after that gets completed, please restart your computer again. Without a restart, you will not be able to use Laravel new blog. This is the very easy way to write any uh, create any sites. If you don't do that, you can also do this, but this is a very long thing to do. So just reboot your computer once and start using Laravel new blog. After rebooting your computer, go to XAMPP cd to XAMPP docs and write Laravel new site 1. As you can see that my Laravel is crafting the applications. You can see that my Laravel is crafting my application very fast. In your machine it might be slow because for the first time it downloads all these things, and from the second time it loads it from the cache. As you can see that Laravel is loading everything from my cache. That's why my grafting is very fast compared to yours. But don't worry, from the second time it will be same with you too. If this tutorials helps you to install Laravel, and then uh, helps you to do your thing, then please like and subscribe. If there is any problem that arises when you install or as you follow my steps, please comment down below. I'll be solving them. Thank you.